On Windows 10 or 11, you can password protect a PDF file using several methods. Here's a step-by-step guide using SmallPDF. Using SmallPDF for PDF password protection. Go to SmallPDF, open your web browser and navigate to the SmallPDF website. Choose Protect PDF on the SmallPDF homepage. Find and select the Protect PDF tool, listed under the All Tools section or easily accessible from the homepage. Upload your PDF. Click on the option to upload or drag and drop your PDF file into the designated area on the website. Set a password. Once the PDF is uploaded, SmallPDF will prompt you to set a password for the document. Enter the password you want to use to protect the PDF. Start encryption. After setting the password, click on the Encrypt PDF or similar option to start the encryption process. Download the protected PDF. SmallPDF will process your file, and once completed, it will provide a download link for your newly password-protected PDF. Save the protected PDF. Click on the download link to save the protected PDF file to your computer. Here's a general guide to reverting password protection. Access SmallPDF. Go back to the SmallPDF website or the specific tool you used for password protection. Choose Unlock PDF or Remove Password. Look for the tool that specifically mentions unlocking or removing password protection from a PDF. Upload the protected PDF. Click on the option to upload the password-protected PDF file from your computer. Enter the password. SmallPDF might prompt you to enter the password used for protecting the PDF. Provide the password when prompted. Start unlocking. After uploading and entering the password, choose the option to remove the password protection or unlock the PDF. Download the unlocked PDF. Once the process is completed, SmallPDF will provide a download link for the unlocked PDF. Save the unlocked PDF. Click on the download link to save the unlocked PDF file to your computer. Safety tips. Ensure that you remember or securely store the password you've set. Losing the password might result in losing access to the protected PDF. Always use a strong and memorable password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for better security.